Afternoon, folks. Day 4, part B of Swaino's simple sourdough mother culture experiment journey. Now, I left this morning with a drop of honey in it, mixed it up, and it's developed a little hoochie layer. So you're supposed to tip that out. Just do that. I'll put the dog's bowl down here. Alright, and I reckon it still smells good. I think this is going to work. Okay, so anyway, it's time to feed it. And when it drops like that, I say it's time to feed it. So, I don't know. We'll be right. Okay, half water. Well, that amount of water, same amount of flour. And that's it for today. Let's see how it goes tomorrow. I'm hoping that we're going to see a lot of action tomorrow, and especially since that honey's gone in. So if yours is looking inactive, just give it a little bit of honey or sugar or golden syrup and just feed it again, and hopefully tomorrow we're going to have a lot of action, and then we can start thinking about making some bread, some sourdough. Sweet. All right. Next video is ricotta. We're going to make some ricotta with milk that might have turned just slightly. Okay. Stay tuned.